So, David, if you don't mind sharing, what caused you to want to consider working directly with an investor with selling your house? And then also, what was your experience working with sellmyhousefl.com and myself?
Sure. So my wife and I were in a position where we had figured out the house that we wanted to move into, and with a young child, the prospect of selling our house and having to stage it and photograph it and have it ready for tours was really daunting. So one of the things that we decided to try was looking for local businesses that invest in properties to see if we could make a quick sale at a good price and kind of cut out the hassle of having to list your house on the open market. So after doing some research, we found your company. We saw that you had really good reviews, that you'd been in business locally for a good amount of time, and so we decided to take a chance on it. So when I texted you, one of the things that set my mind at ease right away was that you responded very quickly, and within a couple of days, you were out in person looking around the house and actually, talking to me about what was going to happen and what the potential process could be. And something that I also found to be very reassuring and that turned out great in the end for us was that every time you told us something was going to happen in the process, it happened exactly like you said it would. You told us we'd have an offer by a certain date, and we had an offer by that date. You told us that it would be fair market value, and we did our research separately. We looked at what the house was worth and what we were likely to make if we sold it through a traditional realtor, and it was actually fair market value and a really good deal. You told us there would be no closing costs and that we would close at a certain date, and that's exactly what happened. And having that kind of clarity and straightforwardness and the assurances from you, and then seeing those things actually come to fruition, allowed us to make an offer on the house that we really wanted, allowed us to move quickly to get that house. And now we're about to close in a couple of weeks and move in. And so we're very excited. We were able to cut out the middle process that we just really had a hard time imagining with a young child and get the house that we love. So, we're very appreciative and we had a great experience.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for sharing, David. It was a pleasure working with you, and I'm excited for you to move into your new home.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Absolutely.